Ladies, how do you get rid of this fat? Starving myself, it still won't go away. Meanwhile, my friends are flat. Life hack: get up in the morning. Immediately. Don't lay in bed and sit on your phone. Instead, drink a glass of water. Stretch. Walk. Run. Get your blood flowing. Get morning sunlight, sets circadian rhythm, boosts alertness and cognitive function. Seriously, this will give you better energy. Tips for losing belly fat in 2024. 1. Resistance training at home. Muscle is the most active tissue metabolically. This burns calories and regulates sugar levels. 2. A nourishing diet packed with protein and fiber. This increases metabolic rate and breakdown than fat and carbs. 3. Plenty of sleep. Sleep is key in regulating hormones and circadian rhythm. 4. Balance your blood sugar, decreases heart disease and reduce belly fat by eating more fruits, veggies, and seafood. Adapt these 4 tiny habits into your life. 5. Replace high-intensity cardio, boot camps, F45, with low-intensity exercises, swimming, walking, hiking, dancing. High cortisol equals more belly fat. 6. Cook at home more often, as this allows for greater control over ingredients and portion sizes. 7. Limit high-calorie condiments, such as salad dressing, mayonnaise, sauces, cream and sugar. 8. Reduce inflammation with anti-inflammatory foods. Mediterranean diet works best. Not a lady, but I can help. If you're starving yourself, you're redoing it wrong. Hormonal changes, metabolism, insulin resistance, stress, poor sleep, and elevated cortisol could all be culprits of stubborn fat. The solution? Focus on gut health, which is linked to these 2 crucial types of fat. Subcutaneous fat: this is surface-level fat your body stores under the skin. Visceral fat: this wraps around the organs, pushing your belly out. This fatal so pumps toxins and hormones into your bloodstream, which leads to issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Think burgers, fries, pizza.